Oh, okay, everybody. Welcome to the Omegatrades trading chat room. This is Willie here, your moderator for the Forex market. And today is already Friday in Asia, April 12th. And I'm very excited to show this recorded trade for the first time that we're exposing it to the public. This is the Willie Box Strategy Auto Trader. It's a and I'm going to explain what he just did. You can see here the expert advisor mode is on trade. Um, so far, in the past, I've only been showing it as in alert mode, and we've been placing our trades manually. But this time, I let the auto trader work, and I'm going to show you the entries here. Okay, the entry on this is the dollar Swiss, by the way. The entry on this particular case is on the break of this box. The pink box is the Asian market. But you can see here that, you see here, it's very small here, sell. There's a ticket here for a sell order with this dashed green line. It's actually a sell stop at 93.02. Okay, right here. And initially the stop was very tight. It was like 8 pips. It was just above here. And what happened now is that the price is now 92.93. We're currently up 9 pips on this trade. But what's interesting here is the stop. The stop, it trails. You can see that the new stop is now at 92.99, evidenced by this red line here. So our stop is already at +2 or +3 on this trade. So no matter what happens with this trade, we cannot lose. In fact, the worst that can happen is we'll make 3 pips. And this red line here is the target. Okay, so let me show you on this MetaTrader how this account shows. So here's the entry on the trade, 93.028 is the entry. Okay, so continuing that discussion, to verify, you can see the sell stop 93.02. You can see here the actual price executed at 93.028. Okay, 1.3 lots. And you can see the stop loss, 92.99. There it is. It's actually 92.999. So the worst that can happen is you're going to make 3 pips. And here's the target, 92.87 right here. And the current price is there. And we're actually up 12 pips. No, I'm sorry. It's 9 pips, but because it's a little more than 1 lot, so it's up about $128. Okay, and so that's how it works. And then I'm going to show you a pending setup on the euro dollar. First, I'm going to show you you're looking now at the euro US dollar 5-minute chart live. You can see it's about to break this green line. Now this green line, the Willie Box Auto Trader is set on alert mode right now, okay, for this particular chart. And you can see that it's going to buy at 31.19, which is this green line. Okay, and the box that we're going to be breaking is this particular box here. Okay, and the stop is only 9 pips. It's actually 8.8. So the stop loss is 31.10, which is this magenta line here. All right, and the moment price hits here, it's going to pop. It's going to alert with a pop-up screen and also a sound. However, I also have this on trade mode, and I'll show it to you right here. So now this is a separate euro dollar chart. You can see it's already in trade mode. All right, it's going to buy it the moment price hits 131.19, which is green line, and the stop is going to be set here, and then it's going to trail. So let's wait a few minutes or hours, and let's see how this trade progresses. Okay, everyone, time to give you an update on our 2 trades that have triggered, including 1 pending trade. So first, let's look at the dollar Swiss. All right, the last time we looked, we were up about 10 pips or 8, and now we're up 14. Okay, so let's review the target here. Let me see, that's not the Swiss. The first one is the Swiss. So our target price is 92.87.8. Oh, it's almost it's like less than a pip from hitting the target, huh? I think we just you know, you missed it by a hair. I think just because of the spread. Huh? Okay, the stop is still the same, 92.99. You can see everything is looking good with this trade. It's just a matter of time. I think maybe I set the target as plus 15. Yeah, this is a good target area here because you can see the bottom here is 83. So you want to add the spread and then a factor of safety to take profits. All right. With this auto trader, you have the liberty to close it out that manually as well. Okay, so let's look at the euro dollar trade that also triggered. Yeah, you can see that on the right here is alert mode, and on the left is the trade mode and the euro dollar. So we didn't actually get filled until we had slippage into this trade. We got filled at 131.21. You can see almost 2 pips slippage here. Okay, but there's our stop automatically generated. The stop is at 131.13, and so from the entry, that's only you can see that's only 8 pips, guys. This is an amazing system where you don't even have to be there; just automatically sets the stops, and then as you make profit, it trails the stop. Okay, so that's the euro dollar, and we're targeting this area here, which is just below the previous day's high. Yesterday's high is 131.38, so we're going to take profit in this area. Okay, so let's see. You can see that on the Swissy here, we're less than a pip from. Oh, there it is. The trade disappeared. Limited out in the Swissy. Let's verify that. Yeah, the trade is gone. See, it's gone from my chart. All over but the shouting. All right, the other euro dollar trade is up 16, so things are looking good. And then the third thing I was going to show you is on the New Zealand, I elected to enter the trade manually instead of automatically. Okay, and I'll explain the reason. First of all, you can see all this congestion on the New Zealand dollar to the side because the Willie Box would have bought it earlier than 38. It would have bought it at 35, which is here. Okay, there, the 35 is this green line. That's exactly, if I turn on the automated auto trader, it would buy it at the green line. But I elected to be a little more conservative because you see all this congestion here. I decided that I wasn't gonna participate in any congestion, so I drew this type of box manually or in my head. So I didn't want to enter until it breaks here, until it breaks 36. So 38 was my entry. Okay, so I did it like a manual order entry, which is still fine. And then so you can see the stop is here. We can actually move the stop up to this level. See the EA puts the stop at 86.24. Our current stop right now on this New Zealand is 22. So let's move it to 246. 86.246. Just to show you how this thing works. There. So we're trailing the stop. There it is. Okay, so that's we have 2 open trades, both positive 3 pips, and we just closed the Swissy for I think 15 pips. All right, so now we'll check back in a little while to see how these open trades do.